the H4 here, you can see we have a lot of room for this to continue bearish all the way to the low. A lot of room to the downside. So my ultimate TP is somewhere around here for about 100 pips. So we have a good shot. I just caught the move, so let's keep that in mind and let's look out for that trade. So let's go back to the H1 and let me have my drawings back on there. So I did something like this, and the trade is a very simple trade where we are looking to short it from this high. We have the first TP somewhere around here for about 60 pips, and then we had the second TP all the way down here. Second TP is all the way down here for about 100 pips. So 60 pips in and 100 pips. We have a good risk to reward, about 30 pips, 35 pips stop loss, you are good to go. So that is what we have on pound USD. You may call it triple bottom, however you see it. So this low here was created and we had a lot of rejections right there. So the first TP I'm looking at would be somewhere around here because it lines with a strong level right there. And the second TP should be somewhere around here, right? So to the next high. So that is Euro AUD, very clean trend, a downtrend on the H1, and we are looking at a potential correction, right? Correction. So that is really the